What's up guys, this is my new unboxing video and review video of my new Toshiba external hard disk 500 GB. Let's move into it, and this is include of USB 3.0 and 2.0 and plug and play operation. No need to save the files in the device and you can play directly, and you can copy the files faster to the hard disk. No software need to be installed. You can use directly for Windows operating systems, and USB 3.0 cable is included, and recommends over here which is needed for Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and you need one free port of USB 3.0 or 2.0 here, and you can see the content, hard disk and USB 3.0 and manual books. Over here you can see the speed comparison taken by USB 2.0 and 3.0, and you can see some features of this hard disk. You can see the dimension of this hard disk, which is 110 millimeter into 78.9 millimeter into 13.5 millimeter, and no power is needed, and USB 3.2 plus 2.0 is computer. Sorry, it's USB 3.0. It gets unboxed. Got the hard disk over here. Let's keep aside. A manual book, a warranty which is for 2 years, and warranty in different languages, and another warranty. Got the USB 3.0 cable. Let's keep aside. I take the hard disk. The hard disk is kept in a good airbag, which is safe and so nice. Could see it. And the hard disk is in 4-inch, and got the USB connector or down, and the lighting on the top. You can see the lighting is over here, and the branding over the top, Toshiba, and we got a nice dark black color, and you got the information of this hard disk over here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like, thumbs up.